Have you ever seen a lake that feels like it's straight out of a dream? Welcome to Lake Zurich, Switzerland's enchanting gem, where nature showcases its purest beauty. This Lake Zurich, with its crystal clear waters, lush green mountains and tranquil atmosphere, captures the heart of every visitor. Lake Zurich isn't just a natural masterpiece. It's a paradise for boating, lakeside walks, and watching breathtaking sunsets. If you're seeking serenity and stunning views, this is the place for you. If you enjoyed these stunning views, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more breathtaking videos.